wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Amelia Dwi Nur Anissa. I'm from 9D SMP Negeri Wontari. I do a storytelling. Hoping you enjoy. The origin of the name Indonesia. Indonesia is the name of our beloved nation. It is not a simple thing to get the name of a country. This name has put a long journey and history for this nation, all related to the struggle, independence, national identity, and politics of various regions in an identity called Indonesia. Before discussing the origins of the name Indonesia, before Indonesia's independence, many countries in the world dubbed Indonesia under different names. For example, the Chinese call Indonesia Nanhai, which means islands of the South Sea. Indians call Indonesia Nusantara, and the Arabs call it Jazair al-Jawi, namely the island of Java. These nicknames refer to an area with islands that stretch far and wide. Unlike the Europeans, they call it the name Indies or East Indies. European scholars propose names based on the East Indies and Ireland in various languages or words. George Samuel Winsor Earl, an English ethnologist, introduced the term Indonesia to scientific discourse in 1850. He coined the term Indus from Indies, while Nesia was Greek for island. Then James Richardson Logan, a Scottish scholar, changed the U in Indonesia to O, which is Indonesia. Since then, the name Indonesia began to be known and developed, but it was still divided into different kingdoms and tribes, and the Dutch rejected the name during the colonial period. They insisted on calling the Dutch East Indies. During the independence movement in the 1920s, the name Indonesia was echoed and embraced by natives, including Indonesian scholars. The aim is to unite all indigenous groups with their own methods of process and social power rights, until finally the youth from various islands and cities began to declare themselves as freedom fighters for Indonesia. They were joined by bringing the same faith that was both oppressed by the Dutch, until finally after independence on August 17, 1945, all regions began to be independent from cultural and ethnic differences. Indigenous people have begun to unite in ethics and recognize that they are Indonesian. That's all, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.